ready to turn your Windows 10 PC into a lean, mean, Ethereum generating machine. Let's dive into setting up your very own Ethereum mining operation. First, let's talk hardware. You'll need a Windows 10 PC with a powerful GPU. Think NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series or AMD Radeon RX 6000 series for the best performance. Ensure your power supply can handle the extra load. Aim for at least 750 West. You'll also need a stable internet connection and at least 8 GB of RAM. Next, choose a mining pool. Popular options include Ethermine, F2Pool, and Nanopool. Create an account on your chosen pool, as you'll need your pool address later. Now, it's time to download mining software. Trex Miner and Phoenix Miner are popular choices. Download the latest version compatible with your GPU from a trusted source. Be cautious of fake websites. Extract the downloaded mining software to a folder on your desktop. Locate the configuration file. It usually has a name containing start or config and ends with bat or cmd. Right-click the configuration file and select Edit. Now this is important. Replace the example wallet address with your own Ethereum wallet address and replace the pool address with the one from your chosen mining pool. Save the changes. Double-click the modified configuration file to start the miner. A command prompt window will appear, displaying the mining process. Allow Windows Firewall access if prompted. Finally, let's optimize for profitability. Monitor your GPU temperature using software like MSI Afterburner. Experiment with overclocking and undervolting to find the sweet spot between hash rate and power consumption. Use a mining profitability calculator to track your earnings and adjust your settings accordingly. Remember, mining profitability can fluctuate. Good luck and happy mining.